Hacker. Hacks. Hacks. Oh, ow, ow, ow. There's a bird. So what's up, guys? It's Cobalt. Today I'm going to be playing a game called Cobalt. Some of y'all might have heard of Cobalt from Mojang. It's their game partnered with someone else. I forget who else it is. But this game is in alpha, so it's early access, and you can get it right now for, I think it was $10. 10. And then once it gets into beta, it'll be 15, and then whenever it's full, it'll be $20. But it'll probably be full in like 2019 or 2020. Someone comment whenever it is full on this video. I'd love to see someone comment, see what time it actually is released, unless I erase this video because I hate it. But this game is a 2D robot fighting game. And so there are multiple modes. There are 6 modes and lots of maps, and you just pick your type of mode and you punch each other. I forget the controls. I used to play it all the time. Me and my friend actually played it till like 3 on the survival. Then we completely maxed out, got the best possible stuff. We did amazing. We were pretty much the best duo. Me and him also played a couple other games. We might actually do a video of either Unturned or another game or a different game together, and then make videos of that. Just, we're friends, pretty much. And we were the best group, and we played this game all the time. So I'm gonna play a death match on, there's a lot of maps: Secret Hideout, Smooth Jazz, Space Zone, Tequila, Tomb Tower, Secret Hideout, I said that one already, Rocket City, Night Temple, Gladiator Desert, Canyon Dungeon, and Blaster Ballet, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna play Secret Hideout. Looks cool. Smooth Jazz has a cool tune to it. A cool look to it. Why does it only show up on those two? I don't know. I'll play Tequila. Sounds scary. Okay. Scores 10. That sounds good. Teams free for all or what? How many teams can you have? You can have 6 teams. User map settings. I can customize them. Birdmaster. No suit. That sounds scary. Explorer, random, rookie, or scouter. Then shield types, randoms. That sounds fancy and all, but I'm turning it back to map settings to the used ones, or used map set. See, the average default. That's what I was looking for. Bullet slowdown time, extra slowdown, 10% slower than the normal slowdown speed, and less slowdown. You don't know what that is right now, probably, unless you've already played the game or seen a different video. You'll see what the slowdown time is. Bots, yes. Bot settings, balance bots, sure. Max bot skill, derp. So there's derp, drone, recruit, agent, commando, cobalt. I'm gonna keep them on, I'll say derp. Derp sounds good. Adapt skill, that would change nothing because I'm bad. And how many bots can you actually have? You can have 10 bots. That is awesome, people. Come on. That's awesome. Have 1. And I can go ahead and prepare, and I have to pause it for a second because I gotta go do something. Be right back. Where's the pause? Alright, I'm back. Let's play. So, I know left and right moves, up jumps, down ducks. I look awesome. Look at my guy. He's all blue light. A, S, and D change your weapons. And I know that Z, X, and C do stuff. So I'm going to press Z now. Z rolls. Now I remember. So you can kind of roll. Woo! infinite front flips. Whoa, what the heck is that? That must be the... Oh, okay. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Oh, what shoots? Is that... Okay, X is the action button. So, like, boom. I killed myself. That's just what I should do. That's, like, totally professional. And... Okay, so X shoots and C auto aims. Woo! And I got this gun. I remember this gun. Insta kill! No matter if you roll, no matter what, this gun was my favorite. Me and my friends, we'd play try to dodge it slow-mo style, and I would usually have the gun, and they would usually try to dodge it slow-mo style. Which is awesome, because one person would camp up top at that thingy. Boom. Oh, I'm rolling in the air, but I wanna... Oh, whoa, I just... My best cannon. Throw a grenade! Woo, I'm gonna die. Why am I so happy right now? I really do not know. Wow, wow, water buffalo. No, I fell. Whoa, like a boss. Oh yeah, the slowdown times. The game goes slow-mo. Thank you. Woo. The game goes slow-mo when a bullet nears you, giving you the time to, I guess. I knew there's something that makes the up makes Z roll slow. You can like make the game look all parkour like. Oh, I feel like a ninja. And there's a glitch with the jet shoes. Why aren't they working? Like a ninja! I just dive roll and dive roll and dive roll and no! My face just got blown off. That is a great thing to say in a video. Ah! Woo, jet shoes. I just held up until I get to jump. It's so much. I know exactly how to play this game, which is why I'm totally playing it right now. Woo! Drop gun for railgun. Woo! Bah! He's dead. Boom! Goes the dynamite. Boom! Dang it. He killed himself. He killed himself. I feel awesome now. Even though I'm facing a derp. Oh! Yeah. Single good kill. Like a boss. Never! Single punch kill. What? Hacker. Hacks. Hacks. Oh, ow, ow, ow. There's a bird. Whatcha-ka-pow. Whatcha-ka-pow. Hi-ya-ya-yow. Whatcha-ka-pow. Oh, I landed that. That is amazing. I'm a beast player. I'm like the #1 player in the world. Stop. And I got the railgun, but I'm gonna use this because this is way cooler. Never! Okay, so that part was interesting, so I'm gonna see what I sound like chipmunk style. So this will be fun.
Hacks! Hacks! Oh, ow, 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 there's a bird! Whatcha-ka-pow! Whatcha-ka-pow! Hi-ya-ya-yow! Whatcha-ka-pow! Ooh, I landed that! That is amazing! I'm a beast player! I'm like the #1 player in the world! Stop! And I got the railgun, but I'm gonna use this because this is way cooler. Never!
Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Boom! Dang it, I missed his face. Ooh, whoa! That's what that thing does. Oh yeah, the clonks. I think is what it's called. See, a cronk or clonk, and cronk is from a game or from a movie. Whoa! Did I win? Did I get the kill? Bad guy! Bad guy! Bad guy! Bad guy! Ah, zap! Zap! Ow! Explosions! 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 Why did he just do that? He just killed both of us. Haha, Chrono Rod! I think this thing's instant kill. Wah! I'm gonna hit you with this zappy thing! Hit you with this zappy thing! Wah! I hit him with the zappy thing. He died. He totally died from that zappy thing. Woo! Wah! Hit you with that zappy thing. No, he kicked me in the face with that not zappy thing. His face is not a zappy thing, I don't think, unless it is, and then he has problems! Woo! Wee! Timber! Boom! Oh, like a ninja! Why can't I stop rolling? My left hand is not pressing Z! There it goes. Woo! I'm gonna lose to a derp. I feel so manly saying that. I'm gonna lose to some derp. Yes, I grabbed it. Boom! Goes the dynamite! Boom! Oh, let's do that! Boom! Chicka boom! I just cute his face. And boom! Oh, clonk, 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 clonk! Oh, he has a bird. He's got a bird. Boom, I blew that bird up with my special gun. Ah! I am way too into this game. Yeah, like a boss. Just gonna... No, no! No, that was my special, my precious, my precious. Dang it, I'm blind. I can't see. There it goes. I'm dead. Oh no, I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. I am so going to lose. I cannot lose to a derp. This is my first round. I'm just gonna... That hurt my throat. Here's the tip. Never yell like me. Do 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 do. Boom, he's blind. Now he can't see. Oh, it's a tie. It's gonna be a tie. Unless I win, which I'm gonna. Because I'm like, woo! I'm going to totally win this. No, just threw out my grenade. That is a waste of time. Boom! Yeah! Oh, beat his face! Tricky got this! I won! I won! I won! I won! I won! I won! I beat a derp! I beat a derp! I'm gonna play one more. I'll play the same place. But now, instead of a derp, it's gonna be 10 derps! This is not good. Soup spoon, needle soup spoon, nickel, mercury, and fork, crane wrench, zinc, nickel. That's my name. My name is fork, zinc, chill pill, nickel, crane, needle, soup spoon, nickel, wrench, mercury. Team. Oh my gosh, this is so much lag. I already died. I'm at the bottom right and I just died. My name is barely obvious. Woo! I'm in the top right corner. Special gun. I bet I can totally do this. Boom. Just like dang, I'm a boss and going off like boom, chicka laka, shaka laka, boom, boom. Like a ninja. Oh. And apparently ninjas die really easily. Oh, my ears hurt. There's a lot of noise. Well, I exploded. Okay, I'm not. What's wrong with the sound? Not the editor! Fancy. Last time I got into the editor, couldn't get out. But I learned how to get out just for you. I have so many issues. That's about it for this episode. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, and tell me what I should play next, or give me suggestions, how I did, anything. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time.